Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error on your iPhone. So if you have errors that unable to join Wi-Fi network, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. So just tap on Wi-Fi and just check if you're successfully connected here to your Wi-Fi, and also you don't see here yellow color, so it means that you have no internet access. Another thing you can also try is just restart your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to go back, just tap on airplane mode, turn it on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off, so it will restart your Wi-Fi options and just connect again to your Wi-Fi. So another thing, if you can try, just go to the general, and in the general you need to find here reset, so just tap on reset, and here you need to choose reset network settings, so just tap on reset network settings, so sometimes it also helps. And another thing you can try, just find in general software update, so just tap on it and just check here if you have available updates on your iPhone. So if you have it, just download and install it on your iPhone. So if you still have this error, so just try to restart your phone, so just tap here on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So, and the latest thing you can try, just go back to the general in the settings, and in the reset just try to reset all settings. So just try this option. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.